This is Mecool's newest device and is a dongle form factor. It's a very simple little device. It's got the pigtail that plugs directly into an HDMI port on your TV. That makes it extremely convenient and easy to set up. It has an LED light on the front top. It has a USB 2.0 port on the side. This is the micro USB port for the power. It comes with a 5-volt 1-amp power supply, and it comes with a fantastic Bluetooth Google referenced designed remote control. People ask me why I would purchase this particular device instead of some of the cheaper dongles. This device has 4 gigabytes of memory and 32 gigabytes of storage. Those cheaper dongles that you buy, they have a paltry 2 megabytes of memory and 8 gigabytes of storage. So totally inadequate for doing what you want to do. If you combine this Mecool dongle, the Mecool KD2, with an air mouse, this device will do almost anything you want to do except for do your dishes and shine your shoes. All you do is insert that dongle in that USB port, take this and plug it into the TV HDMI port, and it is sight unseen. So keep watching and I will show you everything that this device can do. For my review, I want to show you something about this particular device. We're going to go to Chrome. Now the Chrome is installed on this Mecool KD2. Okay, that's it now. We're looking at the Chrome browser. So we're going to take a look because there's something special here. This is on sale for 20% off. And there it is. KM7, KM2, KD2. 20% off, and it's good till December 30th. So if you want this device, you better grab it soon. If you notice, this Chrome browser running on this Mecool KD2 looks just like the one that you run on your computer. So this makes this box almost like a computer. Before we do anything else, let's take a look at the speed and see what it does. I'm using my Wi-Fi, my 5 gigahertz band Wi-Fi. So if you notice, it's down to 230 megabits download speed. That's more than adequate to stream anything that you've got. What is the humidity level in my house?
The Sensi has a current humidity reading of 51%.
What is the optimal humidity level in a home?
According to Save on Energy, every home is different, but a level between 30 and 40%.
What is my thermostat set at?
Heating is set to 68 degrees.
Raise the temperature to 72 degrees.
Sure, setting the Sensi to 72 degrees.
Okay, that's how you have the ability to control everything in your house, including the lighting. Okay, your family has come over for the holidays, and one thing they want to do is share all their pictures on their cell phone. So this Mecool KD2 has the Chromecast supported natively. Now there is a little bit of lag because I am going through my video capture card, so that presents a delay in everything. Anyway, that's how they can share the photos from their phones to your big screen TV in the living room so everybody can gather around and gawk at them. What are the NFL football standings?
The number one ranked team in the AFC East right now is the Patriots.
Looks like the Patriots may win. When families get together for holidays, they usually like to watch football games, some kind of sports, or play games. So this is what we're going to do right now. We're going to play some games. Okay, retro gaming is a big thing right now. And since Grandma used to play all these games, I think she can smoke her grandkids. She could show them how to play these games. It's almost impossible to play this game because I'm going through my video capture card. So there's too much lag. But I'm just showing you what it looks like. And obviously I can't play it because it's just too much lag with this video capture card. But that's what I want to show you right there. This is just like any other Google certified Android TV box. It's got all the apps except for Netflix. And people complain, well, that's a showstopper, but every TV has Netflix app included. So almost all your new TVs are smart TVs that haven't included Netflix. So, but anyway, this covers everything else. Okay, you got Vudu. Now that's where you purchase your movies. Okay, there's my movies. If you notice, you've got all the Christmas movies in here. Santa Claus, 3, 2, Santa Claus, Home Alone, and most importantly, it's coming up, The Wizard of Oz. But Vudu plays all those in HD with Dolby Surround Sound, DD+. So this device does everything except Netflix. But other than that, it's a great little device. So if you want this device, and it's a great little device, right now it's less than $60 on sale with that 20% off. But you got to get it before the end of the year, so that's it. But it's a great little device, and I hope you enjoyed the video.